Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute variety workout that is geared towards working on your hip action. Alrighty guys, we are going to start with a little bit of a salsa warm-up, but we will make sure that our hips are ready to dance. Get ready, here we go. Circle, 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 circle. Big circles. Forward and around. Very good. We're gonna go nice and slow. Get ready. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Every step, forward, around, forward, around, forward, around. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna take it to the side. Make sure when you're focusing on your hips that you're holding your center in. You have it nice and zipped up the whole time, back on the spot, and slow, 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 slow. Keep it up. Slow, slow. Very good. We're gonna go forward. Back. Forward. Back. Now to the side. And back on that spot. Very good. Get ready, because we're gonna go behind. We're gonna go back, 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 back. Very good. Still get all those circles in, guys. Even though you're stepping back, still bring that hip forward and around. Every step has a hip action. Remember that throughout all the dances today. And back on the spot. Very good. We're gonna take it forward and back. Very good. Alrighty guys, it is time for cha-cha. We are gonna start on the spot and we are going to think about our timing and our hip action. Get ready. We go. And 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3. Very good. If you notice, when I have the slow counts, I have all the time to do the full circles. 4 and 1. When I have my quick ones, small, tiny, tiny, big, 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 tiny, tiny, big. And you see how my center gets pulled up nice and high to fit those little tiny actions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Very good. If you're already feeling cramps in your core, you're doing the right thing. Okay, get ready, watch this. I'm gonna go 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Very good. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. The better you breathe, the less you'll cramp. Very good. Cha-cha one. Cha-cha one. Cha-cha one. Very good. Let's just go back on this spot and take it slow. Slow. Give yourself a second to breathe, but keep those hips moving. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna actually do a full basic step. And cha-cha one, forward. Cha-cha one, back. Really focus on getting those full actions on those full counts. Very good. Very good. And back on the spot. Cha-cha one. Maybe if you pick up those arms, get them out of the way from your body moving. Keep it up. Stand up nice and tall. A lot of the times when we're focusing on something down here, we tend to do this. Stand up nice and tall. And forward. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. We're gonna do that full basic step. Let's go. Forward. T, T, T. Back. Very good, guys. Alrighty. Whew. It is time for a little bit of Samba. We have slightly different hip action as we do in the cha-cha. We have an extra added hip action of a pelvic tilt. Get ready. We're gonna start on the spot with our feet together. Just getting used to this tilt, tilt, tilt. Very good. You're feeling the hips and the ribs coming together. Very good. Keep this up. Get ready. After this, we're gonna step to the side and we're gonna bounce like this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. For 8. Very good. And keep this up. Last time for 8, and then we're gonna do 4s. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Last time for those 4s, because guess what? We're gonna do 2s. And get ready for 1s. Switching that weight. Focusing on all that hip action. And feet back together. Very good, guys. Get ready. Watch this. We're gonna take tiny steps. Forward, 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 then back. Then forward. then back. Do it again. On the way back, that's the hardest to coordinate. You still have to keep your hips going forward and around. Very good. And back on the spot. Very good. Take a deep breath in. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Alrighty, guys. Get ready. We have a little bit of swing. On the spot, we go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Almost similar to that samba, but we're holding ourselves much more over our toes, straightening our knees a bit faster, and getting our hips to swing side, 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 side. That's it. Very good. Watch this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we're going into our triple step, we're gonna have this swinging feeling in our hips. Here we go. Swing, 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 swing. So feel that. Boom, side. And if you want to add a little extra, you can go forward around, boom, 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 boom. Very good. Alrighty, guys. It is time for a little bit of Rumba. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Very good. We're gonna start on the spot, nice and slow. And slow. A full bar for each step. Really focusing on going forward and around. Forward and around. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do Rumba timing and go. 2 and 3 and 4. Quick and slow. Quick and quick and slow. Quick and quick and slow. Quick. Remember what I said earlier about keeping that center zipped up. I know it's harder as we're going along, but keep it zipped. 3, 4. Standing up nice and straight. Using the knees in coordination with the hips. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Get ready, side. Switch and switch and side. Switch and switch, side. Very good. Switch, switch, around. Very good. Keep that up. Remember, get those arms out of the way. And now stand on the spot. Switch, 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 switch. Just a nice Cuban rock. Make sure we're getting that forward and around. Get ready. Rumba timing. 2 and 3 and 4. 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 Ready, feet together. 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2 to the side. Time step. 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4. And 2 and 3 and 4. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.